everyone, and welcome to the first celebration assembly of this half term. We hope everyone had a fantastic week, and we're really proud that everyone has been working very hard this week, aren't we? We are. Well done. Now, we've had World Book Day this week, and our Year 5 children have gone on residential. Did you know that? Yes. So, no Year 5 awards this week because we're going to save them all for next week when they return. Yes, they're having loads of fun there. Now, are we ready to tell everyone who the awards are? Yes, we are. Okay, everyone, are you ready? Good. Now, get my list. Are you ready? First, we have the Going for Gold Awards. And we have in Leeds class, Julia, for her enjoyment of putting rhyming words together. And we have Nevaeh for always being busy at activities in the nursery. In York class, we have Harper for Super Fred talking when writing CVC words with an adult. And Holly for being able to move to the beat in music. In Hall class, we have Erica for reading and writing words in Read Write Ink, and Izzy for working so hard to improve her letter formation. We have in Nottingham Alfie for excellent maths knowledge around numbers to 50, and we have Olivia for writing super sentences about the animals in Panda's Surprise. In Liverpool class, we have Jacob GC for trying hard to improve his pace when writing, and Roscoe for super effort when retelling of Panda's Surprise. In Cardiff class, we have Morrissey for trying hard in English lessons, and Freya for listening carefully to the Featherstone Rovers coach during the hockey lesson. In Edinburgh, we have Scylla for her massive improvement in her handwriting this week, and Ruby for some amazing writing this week, creating drama at the start of the Iron Man story. In Oxford class, we have Jake D for growing in confidence and sharing his ideas with the class, and Caden for working hard to produce a fantastic explanation text about the heart. In Lincoln class, we have Abe for trying and eating a whole potato cake, and Chester, Leah for trying hard with her maths work. Well done to all of you. Give them a big clap because we are all so very proud. Well done. Now we have the Year of Being Healthy Awards. First, in Leeds class, we have Aria for learning to put rhyming words together, and Willow Ilm for learning to color within the lines. In York class, we have Loki for persevering and practicing his handwriting, and Connor for being able to explain his learning in maths. In Hall class, we have Ruby for enjoying her healthy dinners and fruit snacks, and Antonia for joining in with PE lessons so well and keeping fit. In Nottingham class, we have Gabe for trying to write neatly on the line, and Archie for trying to write a lowercase a. In Liverpool class, we have Casper for showing resilience in his learning, and Skylar for super effort in PE. In Cardiff class, we have Lexi May for always having a positive attitude and being kind to others, and Ruby Ann for bringing her water bottle to school. In Edinburgh class, we have Kristen for showing resilience in her learning even when things are tricky, and Goran for always works hard and stays focused in his lessons. In Oxford class, we have Oliver for speaking, for caring and being helpful sportsman, and Lacey for being extra welcoming to a new member of our class. In Lincoln class, we have Emmanuel for participating with colorful semantics. And Chester for Jasmine, showing a healthy mind by communicating her feelings to the staff. Well done to all of you. Well done. Excellent. All right, Betty, come back. All right, children, we're very proud of all of you because we have seen how hard you've been working this week and really working and keeping the focus in mind for our year being healthy this week, which is learning. Well done to all of you. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week.